Trademark lawyer cost. Everything you need to know. A trademark lawyer costs around $1,000 to $2,000 for the general trademark process, but disputes could cost the client an additional $300 to $400 an hour. Some of the trademark lawyer costs you may see include filing fees for the trademark application, government costs charged by the USPTO, flat fee trademark lawyer costs, trademark attorney fees, and/or maintenance costs. Registering a federal trademark in the United States includes several costs, including paying fees to the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office, or USPTO, and fees for a trademark attorney to manage the process of registering a trademark. There are also relevant costs that differ based on possible alternatives. These relevant costs are important to your decision on how to acquire your trademark. The USPTO charges a fee to file a new trademark application. The cost for filing the trademark application depends on how you file the application and how many classes of goods or services you include in the application. The fee is $225 for every class you include from a list of 45 classes. The $225 fee applies if you choose your goods and services from this preset list. In addition to the application fees, it's possible that a business owner must pay a statement of use fee, which is a declaration from the business owner that swears that they have started to use their trademark in their business. You file the statement of use about 7 to 9 months after filing the first application. Some attorneys can file a trademark application for you for a flat fee. This flat fee might be between $300 and $1,000 per application. A flat fee arrangement might not include services the lawyer performs after he or she files the application. Sometimes the trademark examiner might refuse your application, issuing you an official letter that your attorney must respond to and can cost an additional flat fee for the response. 5 years after registering the trademark, you will need to file a declaration of continued use to show that you are still using the trademark in your business. The USPTO charges $100 per class of good or service for filing the declaration of continued use. After 9 years, you must file an application for renewal to renew your trademark. The USPTO charges $500 per class of good or service for filing the application for renewal. A trademark lawyer is helpful because they can conduct an extensive trademark search, tell the strength and uniqueness of your trademark, and also conduct all the prep work ahead of time to make sure your trademark application is successful. If you choose not to use a trademark lawyer, it is cheaper, but you have a higher chance of your trademark being rejected. If you need help understanding how much a trademark lawyer costs, you can ask your question or talk about your concern on UpCounsel's Marketplace.